In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix api-ms-win-crt-string-l1-1-0.dll missing error. So first thing you want to do is go to cmd, then run as administrator. Over here, run the following command. So dism/online/cleanup image restore health, and then press enter. And then tap sfc/scan now, and once this is done scanning, you can just try seeing if this fixes the issue. If it doesn't, then just open Google Chrome here. Now we're gonna type the name of the missing DLL folder. So I'm just gonna paste it here like this, then type download, then press enter. So go to this first web page. Now, if you're using a 64-bit computer, you can download the 64-bit version and the 32-bit. But if you're using the 32-bit computer, then just download just 32-bit. So I'm just gonna download this one. So this one is done. Now download 32-bit. And this one is done. So you can just close this down. And then you can just open your downloads folder. Let me just delete these. And I recommend to label them, so I'm gonna label this one 64-bit, and this one 32-bit. So now you're gonna extract the folders. So extract all, then delete this. So go to this PC, and then C drive, then go to Windows. Then go to System 32, go to the 64-bit version, and then just drag the folder inside and then click continue. Go to Windows, go to System 64, go to the 32-bit version and just drag the folder inside, then click continue. Now if you're using a 32-bit computer, then all you have to do is just drag the 32-bit version inside of System 32, and that should be enough. So try restarting your computer and see if this fixes the error. And if it doesn't, then you can just go back here to Google. And then type Visual C++ redistributable and then download. Press OK. Go to the first web page. Here you're gonna download the latest version. So download 64-bit and then 32-bit. Then now run the installer for both the 64-bit and the 32-bit and just install them normally. After installing them, you want to restart your computer, and hopefully this fixes your error.